Hey friends, Carl here with ClearFlow Home Maintenance here in Charlotte. The leaves are falling and so are the maintenance tasks you don't want to forget this season. Here's your quick fall home maintenance checklist. Number one, check your gutters. Falling leaves can clog gutters and cause water damage fast, so stay on top of it. Number two, inspect your roof and flashings. Okay, small issues now can become major leaks once the winter storms start to roll in. Okay, number three, check your insulation and weather stripping. This keeps your home cozy and energy efficient while saving you money on your heating bills. And number four, drain and store those outdoor hoses. Okay, protect them from the freezing temperatures and avoid costly replacements. Prep now so winter doesn't catch you off guard. If you want the full seasonal checklist, head over to our website, clearflowhomemaintenance.com. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your neighbors, and subscribe for more home tips from your trusted local pro. Okay, and if you're in the Charlotte area and need help with gutter cleaning, roof inspections, or seasonal prep, give us a call, 704-219-7874. Stay safe, stay prepared, and enjoy your fall season. We'll talk to you all soon. Peace out.